Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams, a powerful feature that lets you deliver your presentations like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up so your audience sees your content perfectly while you stay in control of your slides. Let's dive in, accessing Microsoft Teams and starting a meeting first. Open Microsoft Teams and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, simply follow the on-screen steps to sign up. Once you're logged in, go to the video icon on the left sidebar. This is your hub for meetings. Click it, then hit Start Meeting to create a new session. Now you're ready to present. Sharing your screen. Inside your meeting, look for the Share button at the bottom of the window. This is where all the magic begins. You'll see multiple sharing options: entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. For the best presenter view experience, I recommend choosing entire screen. This ensures your audience sees everything you want them to see, while you maintain full control of your slides. Opening your presentation. Now make sure your presentation, whether it's PowerPoint, a document, or a web page, is already open. Once you start sharing your screen, your presentation will automatically come to the front for everyone in the meeting. Using Presenter View effectively. If you're using PowerPoint, activate Presenter View. This gives you access to helpful tools like slide notes, upcoming slides, and a timer, all visible only to you. You can navigate smoothly through your slides, keeping your audience engaged without losing track of your content. If your participants report seeing black screens or missing slides, double-check that you're sharing the correct screen and that Presenter View is enabled. It's a common mistake that's easy to fix, and that's it. Using Presenter View in Microsoft Teams is that simple. You can now deliver polished professional presentations with confidence, all while keeping your notes and slide controls at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another Microsoft Teams tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.